Hello and welcome to EasyCart. Today we're going to take a look at the newest subscription system that EasyCart integrated called ConvertKit. If you are already familiar with ConvertKit, it's a very powerful email subscription system that allows you to set up automated rules. So when people purchase certain products, you can set up those complex rules to send out emails and campaigns and better organize your subscribers and your order information. So let's take a look at how this integration works and how to set it up on EasyCart. So first off, you do have to have the Pro or Premium, and what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the settings, and we're going to go down to third party. And this section is growing in EasyCart. You'll find that we have quite a few little third-party connections here already integrated: Facebook, Share a Sale, MailerLite. ConvertKit is right here, and we're going to go ahead and enable this. MailerLite is another subscription system, but it's a little more simple. It just throws the customer's name in and their email. ConvertKit, on the other hand, is a little more advanced. It has actual product data going over to it. So if you want to have those complex campaigns when a user orders certain products and ship out, you might want to look at the ConvertKit piece. So we've already done the integration for you. It's just a matter of getting these API keys set up for your system. So let's jump over to our ConvertKit. And what we're going to take a look is, once you have an account, let's go into the settings. And under settings, you can scroll down on the left hand side, go to the advanced button. And this is where you can go ahead and get your API key and your secret. And so you can just click this little button here. This will copy it. And we're going to come back and we're going to paste this into the key. And then we're going to come back and we're going to go ahead and grab our API secret, and we'll go ahead and paste that into our system as well. And if you hit tab, you'll notice they save. Now we also have to connect this to a form, and you'll notice right away it doesn't show up. It says set up first and refresh. So we can do that now. We've already entered our keys. It should make that connection, and it did. And now it says select a form, and let me show you where these forms are. By default, you could just maybe create the newsletter form. It has to be connected to a form though. Even though we've done the work and we basically have our own form, we'll come back here to our let's go back to our main page here. There we go, and here's our subscribers. And we have different sections up here that let you create sends. It lets you grow. You'll notice underneath your grow you have subscribers and landing pages and forms. And if I click on landing pages and forms, you'll notice we have a couple of forms down here: newsletter and Claire form. If you create a new form, you can do that. We'll just create a new form. It asks what kind. Again, we've already done this, so I'm just going to click on inline, and you can see you can actually get some code for some pop-ups, some really nice looking forms if you want to integrate their services further. I'm not going to go into their forms because that's more for their software. By default, you'll have this newsletter form. It's just a very basic form. You can see just an email address. It really doesn't matter for EasyCart because we have our own API connection for them. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this newsletter form for my system. Okay, so that's all it takes to get set up. Let's take a look at what it looks like to flow through the checkout. Let's say I want to get one of these items. I'll get this Heather shirt. Throw it in my shopping cart, and I'll show you where your users actually sign up. So we're going to go ahead and go check out, and I'm just going to go ahead and select a test account here, fill it in with just test email. ahead and select our shipping. And on the final page of payment, you're going to see that users can opt in. Would they like to subscribe to your newsletter list? And that's important because all of your subscribers legally should have to opt in, and it has to be unchecked by default. So we have that set up here for you. We're going to go ahead and submit the order. So I bought one Heather shirt, and what it's done now is it's went ahead and processed my order, but it's also sent that subscriber over to your ConvertKit. Okay, and we'll take a look here. So now you have your subscribers. We can actually click on subscribers under the Grow panel, and we can see that this user came in. They're a confirmed user. Okay, and at this point you would be able to handle that within ConvertKit however you like. I'm not going to go into too much on what their website does and what their software does. I'll let you experiment with that. One of the real powerful tools is their automation stuff. If you come into automation, you can set up a workflow based on what has been purchased. So if you go to new automations, you can just start from scratch. And I'm just touching on this real briefly, but you can set up what you want to have happen maybe when a person purchases, and you can select any of these products, for example the Heather shirt that we just purchased, and from here you can set up your automation. What's the action you want to have happen? Do you want to have it delayed? Do you want to have it go through some other events? I'll let you handle that here, but you can see how powerful this becomes of a tool for automating your emails to your users. Pretty interesting system, and it's very easy to set up within EasyCart. Like I said, just come into your settings and third party. You're going to enable ConvertKit, get your keys in here, and select a form. I should also note too that if you have a setting during checkout to allow users to subscribe, you may want to come over here and actually make sure it's on. This is in our settings and accounts, and you can turn on the subscribe to newsletter, and that will allow them during checkout to check that box. Users can also do that when they create an account. So let's just say a user came to your account page, they're going to create an account. They get this as well. Would they like to subscribe to the newsletter? So that also puts them into the system as well. So ConvertKit is a great tool. It's really powerful, and it does have that product data level information so that you can create those automated systems and delays and whatever for your workflows. So check it out if you're interested. Again, the Pro and Premium offer this as a great tool. If you're interested in something a little more simple with just the subscribers, we have MailerLite. We also have MailChimp installed, as well as Mailster, which is kind of a third-party plugin. So several options. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email us on our website at wpeasycart.com. Thanks.